Olá.
Merhaba.
Namaskar.
Olá.
Goedemorgen vanuit Zuid-Afrika.
Sawana.
G'day there.
Merhaba from Istanbul. Greetings from Liebherr, USA.
G'day from Australia.
Greetings from the Czech Republic.
Greetings from Ghana.
Greetings from Nigeria.
Greetings from Brazil.
From India.
Dubai.
Welcome to Liebherr Bauma.
We are looking forward to welcoming you.
We wish you a lot of fun at the Liebherr Booth, Bauma.
We wish you a lot of fun at our Liebherr Booth in Bauma.
We wish you exciting time during your visit at the Liebherr Booth at the Bauma.
We hope you enjoy the Liebherr site at Bauma. We wish you a lot of fun.
I hope you all have a great time.
We wish you a lot of fun at the Liebherr Booth at Bauma.
We wish you the best at Bauma.
Have lots of fun and enjoy all our products.
Let's meet at Liebherr Booth at Bauma.
Enjoy.
Have a blast, enjoy yourselves.
And remember.
Remember?
Remember.
We are always.
We are always.
Always.
We are always.
on your side.
Herzlich willkommen zum Liebherr Bauma Video Magazine.
Welcome to the Liebherr Bauma Video Magazine 2022. This year, Liebherr again has one of the largest booths at Bauma. And of course, we also have a lot to offer. More than 100 exhibits from the division's construction machines, cranes, material handling, earth moving, deep foundation, concrete technology, mining and components will be presented. Liebherr's outdoor booth alone is 14,500 square meters. Over the next 7 days, you can expect trend-setting technologies, including innovations from the areas of digitalization and alternative drive systems. A good number of new products will be introduced, there will be a lot of action, and of course the friendly Liebherr team. Yes indeed, there's a lot going on here at Liebherr, and the first highlight already occurred this morning, namely the official opening of the Liebherr booth with prominent guests. Markus Söder, Minister-President of Bavaria, Volker Wissing, Federal Minister for Digital and Transport, and then Stefan Rummel and Dr. Reinhard Pfeiffer, Managing Directors of Messe München. Representatives of the Liebherr family shareholders welcomed the delegation on the Liebherr booth, and Minister-President Markus Söder was able to try out a Liebherr highlight, the R9XX-H2, the hydrogen-powered crawler excavator. Now there's one visit I've been particularly looking forward to. He's a member of the board of directors of the Liebherr Group, and he's responsible for the corporate technology and digitalization division, Mr. Stephen Albrecht. Mr. Albrecht, the motto this year is "On Your Site." What precisely is behind this? With this motto, we want to express the fact that our customers are always the central focus, and that we're always there for our customers wherever they need us. What themes is Liebherr highlighting this year? For me, a special highlight is the drive technology theme. I think it's really exciting to see how far we've come over the last 3.5 years. Virtually all product divisions are working intensively with low-emission and zero-emission technologies. The completely new products that we're presenting from the digitalization division are another highlight for me. We have a number of assistance systems, as well as digital tools and solutions for our customers. And what are you personally looking forward to in particular? This week I'm really looking forward to showing our customers and partners all of these themes. And naturally, I'm also looking forward to getting feedback from our customers and the discussion with them concerning the next steps in this regard. That sounds like a very exciting week, full of innovations and technical highlights. Thank you, Mr. Albrecht. And with that, we now come to our first genuine big star of today's program. And when I say big, I mean literally gigantic. That's the R9300, the latest development from Liebherr Mining and the future flagship of the 250-ton class. A real powerhouse. It's part of the most technically advanced generation of machinery. Behind me you can see the R9300. It's the second excavator in Generation 8. It's the perfect loading machine for large dumper trucks, whether articulated or rigid, in the 100 to 150 ton range. The R9300, the future star of mining operations. In open cast mining, basically, wherever raw materials need to be extracted from the ground, that's where these machines come in. The whole idea is that we've integrated new technologies. That's what Generation 8 is about. We've got the Liebherr power efficiency system, for example. There are two features we've implemented in this area. One is the LPE hydraulics, and the other is the LPE engine control. The first is a special management system for the engine speed, which enables us to reduce the amount of fuel consumed by the engine. The same goes for the hydraulics, how the hydraulics are operated, how they switch on afterwards. This allows us to cut fuel consumption by 15% in total. At the same time, we've improved productivity by 5%. The R9300, the new flagship of the 250-ton class from Liebherr Mining. Yes, so the machine behind me is admittedly a little smaller than the specimen we just showed you. All the same, it's a very special development from Liebherr. It's a battery-powered wheel loader that Sepp Eisel has been testing for around 3.5 years. And it's delighted man and animal in equal measure. Let's take a trip to the beautiful Lake Wolfgang to have a look.
Wunderschönen Wolfgangsee.
My name is Sepp Eisel. We run the Seegut Eisel. It's an organic farm. Sustainability is very important to us. We want future generations to be able to earn at least as much as we do. We've had a wheel loader here for a good 20 years, for the many jobs on the farm, ranging from transport work to camping, in the areas of waste and agriculture. We use it for the feed and to transport hay. But we also consume diesel with it and want to reduce precisely that CO2 emission, which is why we're also trying out the electric loader. We've also noticed that in addition to reducing CO2 emissions, it's also reduced mucking out work, especially in the stable, where emissions are concerned, and we're very pleased about that. We've seen that the device is at least as strong. That is, the driving force on the wheels, also the lifting force on the swing arm. They're at least as strong, if not stronger, than the diesel loader we've had until now. The joystick's very sensitive and very pleasant to operate. I've noticed that in relation to competitor products that we've also tried out, Liebherr has a huge advantage. Since sustainability is important to us, we've also equipped our roofs with photovoltaic systems. We produce electricity from a total of over 1,000 square meters. And it suits us very well if we can load the electricity from the photovoltaic system back into the wheel loader once a day, during a work break, because we believe that's not only the shortest, but also the most ecological way. Like I say, we'd actually prefer to keep the electric one here and hand back the diesel one.
I'm here
with Mario Bietzan, product manager at Liebherr Bischofshofen. Mario, when will the battery-powered wheel loader come on the market? It'll be available at the start of 2024. What's new about this development? It is fundamentally an entirely new model that we've developed in Bischofshofen. Not only have we redesigned the battery concept at the back, we've also completely overhauled the entire drivetrain in the process. The operating hydraulics have also been revised, so we're standing beside an entirely new generation of machine. Why is it so important for customers that you complete this extensive test operation phase? Yes, it's important for our customers, but also for us to know that we can call on the same engine output with a battery-powered wheel loader as we can with conventional diesel-powered models. So, for that reason, we wanted to cover lots of different uses as best we could, which meant a lot of test runs. Thank you, Mario. That's all for the first issue of Liebherr's Bauma video magazine for 2022. We'll be back again tomorrow to explore plenty of other topics and innovations. This will include a visit to the attachment tool booth, checking out the technology pavilion for digital solutions, and taking a closer look at a hydrogen engine. So make sure you tune in. And if you haven't had your fill of Liebherr, I recommend taking a look at the printed edition of the Liebherr magazine for Bauma 2022. You can find it online if you're interested. So that's enough for today. We'll be back tomorrow, here on your site, at the Liebherr booth.
Beim Liebherr Messestand.